and I will have a vocabulary enrichment. Okay, so we will learn new words based on the passage that we're going to read. So this time we're going to learn new words that will enhance our vocabulary. So first we'll read this passage. So I will read it first.
Tuesday is here and I feel sleepy.
Okay.
Maybe I need a nap.
So again, we'll Tuesday is here and I feel sleepy. Maybe I need a nap. Okay, so this time we're going to focus on the word nap. So our new words we're going to learn first word is nap. So again, we will try to repeat the passage. Okay, let us read together. Tuesday is here and I feel sleepy. Maybe I need a nap. Okay, so according to this passage, okay, so we're going to know what is the meaning of nap. Okay, let us read this word. Nap.
Nap.
Okay, again, nap. Okay, so nap. So what do you mean by nap? Okay, so according to this passage, what do you mean by nap? Tuesday is here and I feel sleepy. Maybe I need a nap. Again, let us read. Is here and I feel sleepy. Maybe I need a nap. Okay, so based on this text, okay, the baby feels sleepy. Or example, you feel sleepy, so you need a nap. So when you feel sleepy, what will you do? You will take a nap. So what do you mean by nap? What is the meaning of nap?
Sleepy.
What do you mean by nap? When you feel sleepy, what are you going to do? You're going to When you feel sleepy, what will you do? If you feel sleepy, natulog ka, what will you do?
Relax.
Okay, you relax. What else? What other word? When you feel sleepy, what will you do? It's late night. It's late at night. You feel sleepy. Since you are sleepy, so what you're going to do? So you said you were going to go to bed. So when you're in bed, so what are you going to do in bed?
Pray.
Huh? Are you going to pray or what? Aside from praying, what are you going to do? When you feel sleepy and you go to bed, what do you do?
Lay down.
Lie down. And when you lie down, what do you do?
Close your eyes.
You know, close your eyes. When it means that you're going to close your eyes, what does it mean? You're going to
Nap.
nap or what else? What is the meaning of nap? You're going to
Sleep.
Okay, you're going to sleep. So nap means going to
Sleep.
Okay, nap means you're going to sleep. Okay, so I have here sentences that will introduce to us to words which means nap. So you're going to know the meaning of nap according to these sentences. Okay? So what are the other words that links with the word nap? So the first sentence is, and based on the picture, okay, Mike stayed late at night playing video games. He took a short nap during their recess time. Okay, so let us read together the sentence. Go. Mike stayed late at night playing video games. He took a short nap during their recess time. Okay, so according to this sentence, Mike stayed late at night playing video games. He took a short nap during the recess time. Can you again read this by yourself?
Mike stayed late at night playing video games. He took a short nap during their recess time.
Okay, so what do you mean by nap here in the sentence or with and based on the picture? What did Mike do? What do you mean by, what did Mike do? Because he stayed late at night. He took what?
Play video games.
Aside from, because he played video games, what did he do during recess time in school?
Sleep.
Okay, he
Take a nap.
take a nap. So, take a nap means,
Sleep.
okay, very good. So, take a nap is sleep, or what kind of sleep? Is it long or short sleep?
Short.
Okay, so nap means short. Ano? Okay? Okay, you say it. Nap means
Nap means
short, ano? Short, ano?
short.
Short,
Short nap.
short. Nap means short.
Short sleep.
Okay. Nap means short sleep. Okay. So that is the first meaning of nap. Nap means short sleep. Okay, next. Another. I will read first. Aaron was sick. He took a nap so he will feel better. So this is Aaron. Aaron was sick. He took a nap so he will feel better. So can we read it together? Aaron was sick. He took a nap so he will feel better. Okay, so can you read the sentence alone?
Aaron was sick. He took a nap so he will feel better.
Okay, so the word here is nap again. So based on this sentence and based on the picture, what is the meaning of nap? Nap means, because he is sick, he wants to what?
Sleep.
Wants to take a, ano? Wants to take a what?
Rest.
Okay, he wants to take a,
Rest.
okay, he wants to take a rest. Why is it he wants to take a rest? Because he is
Sick.
and he wants to feel better.
Third.
Okay, feel better. So the meaning of nap here is, what do you mean by nap here? No? What is the meaning of nap here? No? What is the meaning of nap here?
Rest.
Okay, rest. Okay, next. So last meaning of nap. So we're going to read again the sentence. So I will read it to you. Every afternoon, Mimi takes a nap so she will grow fast. Every afternoon, Mimi takes a nap so she will grow fast. Okay, let us read this sentence together. Okay, you point it. Every afternoon, Mimi takes a nap so she will grow fast. Okay, can you read the sentence by yourself?
Every afternoon, Mimi takes a nap so she will grow fast.
On this sentence and based on this picture, okay, so Mimi takes a nap every afternoon. So what do you mean by nap here? Because Mimi is taking a nap every afternoon.
Shasta.
Shes?
Shasta.
Shesta? Shesto or Shesta?
Shasta.
Huh?
Shasta.
Okay. Mimi is taking a Shesta because he is doing it every afternoon. Okay, so very good. So once again, okay, let us again try to define and know the meaning of the word nap. Okay, so I have here a graphic organizer. Okay, so let us read this word nap. Again, nap. Okay, spell nap. N-A-P, nap. Okay, so what do you mean by nap? Okay, you're going to put this in the flower. Okay, so first word. Okay, so what is the meaning of nap?
Sleep.
Okay, so put it. Okay, are you? Okay, and then another one. What do you mean by nap?
Shasta.
Huh?
Shasta.
Okay, Shasta. Okay, another one. What do you mean by nap?
Rest.
Okay. Okay. So based on this word, okay, the meaning of nap once again is again
Rest.
nap means, and say it. Nap means
rest.
nap means
sleep.
nap means siesta. Okay. So this time you're going to create or make your own sentence out of the word nap. So I will give you a phrase and you will fill it with another phrase so that you can complete the sentence. Okay? Okay. I feel sleepy. Okay, I feel sleepy. Is it?
I feel sleepy,
So,
so I
take.
take a nap.
Okay, very good. Can you again repeat your sentence? Okay, once more. I feel sleepy. Go.
I feel sleepy,
So I.
take a nap.
Okay, very good. So you know already what is the meaning of nap?
Yes.
Okay, so again, what is the meaning of nap?
Nap means rest. Nap means sleep. Nap means siesta.
Okay, so very good. So this time, we're going to have another word. Okay, so our next word is okay, glad. So, based on the selection, we will listen first and then we will read.
On Friday, I feel glad because my friend is coming to play.
Okay, so I will repeat the text. On Friday, I feel glad because my friend is coming to play. So let us read the text together. On Friday, I feel glad because my friend is coming to play. Okay, so our word is, the word that we're going to know or learn is the word glad. Is it glad? Okay, let us spell the word glad. G-L-A-D, glad. So, we will now know what is the meaning of glad. So, based on the selection, on Friday, I feel glad because my friend is coming to play. So, based on that, she feels glad because her friend will come to play. So, what do you mean by glad? Because your friend will going to play with you. So what do you feel? You feel glad. So what do you mean by glad? You feel
excited.
okay, you feel excited. What else? When someone is coming, especially your friend, and you feel glad. Okay, you feel happy. Okay, so I have here another sentence so that we will know the meaning of glad. Okay? Okay, so I will read it to you. Anna was glad to pass her exam. She even thanked her teacher and her tutor. Again, so let us read together. Anna was glad to pass her exam. She even thanked her teacher and her tutor. Again, once again. Anna was glad to pass her exam. She even thanked her teacher and her tutor. Okay, can you read the sentence by yourself?
Anna was glad to pass her exam. She even thanked her teacher and her tutor.
Okay, so what do you mean by glad based on the text, based on the sentence or the text, and based on the picture? Anna was glad to pass her exam and then she thanked her teacher and her tutor. So what do you mean by glad?
Excited.
Excited? She even thanked her teacher and her tutor. So what do you mean by glad? Glad means you are thankful. Okay, you are
Thankful.
okay, you are thankful. Why she is thankful? Because she passed her she passed her test or exam. Okay, so glad means here is thank. What do you mean?
Glad.
Glad means
Thankful.
okay, thankful. Next, another one. Mark was glad to know that they are going for a vacation. Okay, let us do it together. Mark was glad to know that they are going for a vacation. Can you read the sentence?
Mark was glad to know that they are going for a vacation.
So what do you mean by glad here? Because they are going to vacation.
They are really excited.
Okay, they are really excited. Okay, very good. Okay, another one. The children are so glad to play with their friends. Okay, let us do it together. The children are so glad to play with their friends. Can you read it again?
The children are so glad to play with their friends.
Okay, so based on the sentences on the picture, what is the meaning of glad? You are glad because your friends will come and play with you. So what do you mean by glad?
You happy?
Okay, so you are happy. So, again, we'll have the graphic organizer and then we'll know what is the meaning of glad. So again, let us read the word glad.
Glad.
Okay, spell the word glad. G-L-A-D, glad. So what do you mean by glad? So, glad means, what?
Very excited.
Okay, you say it. Glad means,
Glad means very excited.
okay. And another one.
Glad is thankful.
Okay, glad means, you say it. Glad means thankful. Another one.
Glad means happy.
Okay, so glad means happy. So once again, let us know the meaning of glad. What do you mean by glad? You said glad means again.
Glad means very excited. Glad means thankful.
Glad means happy. Okay, give me an example of a sentence using the word glad.
I am glad because you're here.
Okay, so very good. So you know already what is the meaning of glad? Or the other word for glad. So again, what is the meaning of glad?
Glad means very excited. Glad means thankful. Glad means happy.
So, did you learn something today? Okay, so what are the two words that you have learned? The word
Glad
and the word.
nap.
Okay, very good. So that is all. Thank you.